So welcome again to a new video. This part we did last time, and also the part on this side. I was thinking to do this, but as I already told you in the last video, I will continue on this part and do those 4 papers. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 papers in this video. I will show you in a time lapse a bit of the gray and a bit of the road here with the flowers, and in the meantime I will do the rest without a time lapse, otherwise we will having a video of hours. So yeah, without anything else, let us start painting here, I think. So So here we are again, the time lapses are done and the painting is almost done. We did this part and of course this part. This part took us almost 2 days and this part just in a day. As you could see in the time lapse, this was almost the same color, I don't want to say, but not a lot of colors, so it went fast. Here we had more colors, so we had to change colors often, so it took a little bit more. But overall it took me 3 days to paint this part. Sorry for that. So yeah, it's 1 week later now, so yeah, it goes fast. The next part, next 2 videos will be the top or the bottom, so comment below in the comment section what I should do first, the top part or the bottom part. First I was thinking the bottom part and then the top, so when the painting is completely done we will start doing the top part, and yeah, it's maybe a bit more satisfying than seeing the wheels coming to life. So yeah, this is it. Next painting, I'm not sure what it will be yet. I did not order a painting yet, so yeah, I'm not sure. I was thinking the same size, maybe a 45 by 100 centimeters, and maybe the same car, Tesla Model 3 again, and then more of a white background with a Tesla supercharger and then a big car in the center. But on the other side, yeah, a lot of white tones. I don't know if it will be very nice. So I'm still searching for a nice photo about this, and yeah, I was thinking the same size, so I can change this picture with that picture in the frame, so I don't have always the same diamond painting on the wall hanging. So maybe this is a nice thing. The only thing is that this sorry for this again, I have a bit of a sore throat the last days. But what I wanted to say, yeah, the painting is 1 meter and my table is just 90 centimeters approximately. So yeah, it's a bit bigger than my table, so it's a bit uncomfortable to paint. I flip this over so it has more place, but yeah, that's not your problem, that's mine. So yeah, for now I'm done painting with this one. Next video will be the top or the bottom or the bottom or the top, so comment below what you think I should start with. And yeah, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, you will help me a lot. And of course, thumbs up, and I will see you in a new video about this painting. So thank you for watching again. See you real soon in a new video and enjoy your own diamond paintings. Thank you. Bye bye.